Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, now let's take a look at the gold market. Let's start from the daily chart first. Well guys, yesterday as you can see market finally has hit the targets that we have specified previously and has formed this some kind of the high wave pattern. So that pattern usually indicates it's not really big, but still this is high wave. Mostly it usually forms when market either takes the pause or expects something, or when the market stands in decision and doesn't know what to do next. Here guys mostly probably indicates the pause in the downward action, because you know that on Wednesday this will be the testimony of the Miss Yellen before Senate, when it will when she will speak on perspective of the economy of the United States, and investors expect that she will provide some clarity on rate hiking. So if any dovish comments or hints will follow in this speech, then probably market could show the bounce up. Obviously that this will not be some drastic reversal in the gold market, but probably some pause in the downward action and the retracement that we expected to see, since market right now stands at very strong support, and technically odds suggest that some at least minor bounce to the 1240 area could follow. If instead Yellen will confirm the expectation of the investors on the possible rate hike in the mid 2015, and if she will stay with the plan that investors already expect to get on the rate hiking, in this case we probably could be we could see the breakout of this level, because as we said in our weekly research, fundamentally and seasonally overall situation stands not in favor of the gold market. Seasonal bullish trend is coming to an end at the end of the February and will remain bearish until the end of the August. Fundamentally, the situation in the United States economy stands not really bad. There are some problems exist, but in general, there is really a positive shift stance. Especially, what is more important is the inflation starting to appear. The wages starting to grow, and that's most important factor for the gold market. But right now it works negatively for the gold, because it increases the chances of the rate hiking. That's negative. This negative sign, because inflation per se is the positive for the gold and works as the supportive factor. But mostly in a period when the rate already has started to rise and inflation starts to grow and take the pace, and it's starting to appearing in the CPI and the PPI indicators. In this case they are supportive for the gold market. But before the rate hiking, when the inflation when the economy stands at the non-inflational growth, when the size of inflation appears but rate is not has not been rise yet, has not been hiked yet, that's mostly negative for the gold market. Well, soon probably we will see what will really happen. But right now chances still exist on the upside action. In fact, from the technical point of view, we could say that market has done everything that it could to start and to show retracement. Because take a look, major support has been hit, weekly pivot support, monthly pivot support has been hit, and markets and weekly and monthly pivot support right now holds the price action. On the intraday charts, market has completed ABCD 1618 target. That's what we have talking about. Recall that we said that probably market could turn to the upside, but first it should hit the target. So that bounce probably just temporal, and market could return right back down to hit the target. That has happened. So you can see 1618 target has been hit. Market even has formed some sort of the wash and rinse and formed the bullish engulfing. So grab the stops below this level and return right back down. That ran back up. That is the bullish sign. Also take a look. Market has formed the reversal pattern, some butterfly right now in place. So everything were done by the market to start retracement up. So if retracement will not start based on these setups, on these patterns that has been formed, it probably will not start at all. In this case, we will see the breakout to the downside. That's all. So either retracement will start here, or it will not start at all, and market will break at 12 even level, and we will see the market on the road to 1130 lows initially. But in the perspective, market could show even deeper action. It's continued bearish trend on the monthly chart. That's why this moment right now very important. So guys, if you would like to try to trade this retracement and try to ride on this possible rally that could start, maybe the triggering moment will be the Yellen speech, because right now we do not see on the horizon any other important data or important events. You could try to do this. Theoretically, market could continue move lower to the 1618 target before retracement will happen, but technically it's not a lot of reasons for that, because everything already has been done. Stops have been grabbed here by these Russian rings. Russian rings has been formed. Market has hit the important targets. No technical reasons for further action to the lower target of this butterfly. But this is gold market. Everything could possible. Gold is most cunning market here. We will probably keep the chances on the retracement if even market will complete this 1618 target of this butterfly. But guys, to be honest, I prefer to see the upward action right from this level and no other leg to the downside, because that will be mostly the signs of the weakness, and this will be the worrying sign if market will continue to move lower, because this target also stands below the weekly pivot support one. That's not very will be the good sign, and this increase the chance of the breakout rather than let us to treat this upward action as the retracement. So to be honest, I prefer to see the starting upward action somewhere from this level without any continuation to the 1618. Well, although the overall perspective currently looks not very promising, to be honest, since market just show minor bounces and looks some pressure here to the downside. Well, let's just hope and take the bet on the strength of this support where the market stands right now. The breakout of this strong support without any respect will just show how weak market is, because this is really rock hard support area, and in normal circumstances any market probably will show the bounce up from the support even with the minor retracement. If this will not happen, it's just to significantly increase chances that market will not just will reach 1130 lows, but probably will continue action to the lower targets that stands approximately right now at the 1050, and next strong support area on the monthly time frame chart. So let's see what will happen, because current moment is really thrilling, and it's really very important support area right now. It will be the determinant factor for a medium-term trend on the gold market.